Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can find a recently deleted app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let's get down to the topic. And if you deleted some application not too long ago, maybe you accidentally deleted it or you want to get it back, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So, in order to do that, you'll need to go to the App Store app on your iPhone. Then in the top right corner, click on your image. After that, select the App section. You might be asked to go to the My Apps section next, to go to a list like this. This is a list, as you can see, of all the apps that you have on your iPhone either installed or uninstalled. In order to see which apps you've recently deleted, you'll need to go to this section called Not on this iPhone. This way you can see the app that you have already deleted from your iPhone. If you have a lot of them and you want to find a particular app, then use the search bar to find it. And after you find the app, let's say you want to reinstall it, then you need to click on this cloud next to the app, and in just a few minutes it will be friends. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.